point.
Yay! Take me, take me, take me. Ah, you missed, bitch. Go into the light. Go into the light. Can somebody clip this? Go into the light.
Oh.
I'm into the light.
Meg's healing me, but it says Brian's healing me. Ghostface is looking like, what?
Get her ass!
Yeah.
She's in the locker. Get her ass!
Oh my god. You're crazy. Don't be scared, Grim. This man is evil.
Stun him. Oh! Ah, bitch! Oh, he's after me. He's after me. He wants me.
Well, on the bright side, if you get hooked, I can
Oh! Ah! He doesn't have Lightborn, which is good. Oh fuck! I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh!
Get in the picture. Say cheese.
I hate y'all. She hit me, but I got her. Oh, oh shit! She missed twice.
Trying to finish this job.
I popped it in his face. I'm like, that's my favorite thing to do, is pop it in their face. I'm like, I will gladly take a fucking hit and go down. Sorry, I used God Palette already. I don't care! I don't care!
Oh, he's letting you. You got BT, bitch. Go, go, go up there, go up there. I'll go to my boon. I'm gonna go to. What is this? What is he doing?
I got BT, bitch. BT, bitch. No! You whiff, bitch. That's what you get. Ah, bitch. La la la. Yes. Is there a... Oh, shit. Cheeks tonight? No, he was going to sleep. He's supposed to. I told him earlier.
Not clapping the cheeks, pounding the cake.
Oh. I gotta end. Bye, guys. Ending stream. DC.
Oh my god. At the
Just
start of the
kidding.
game.